I've gone through a few travel strollers, and I have to say this is the best one. This has survived Europe for a few weeks, so intense cobblestone, uneven roads. It has gone through the trenches of that, and I was actually pretty nervous, but I absolutely love it. It is lightweight, travel friendly, weighs about 14 pounds, and folds down in roughly a few seconds. You can bring it into an airline carry-on. It's perfect for travel, public transit, or tight spaces. It does have a great canopy. It has a very smooth ride, and the foam-filled wheels with the all suspension make navigating airports, mall, and city walks a breeze. And again, it survived Europe. It does have the strap that you can lift up, or you could just completely remove it, making those bedtime transfers or nap transfers a lot more easier. It does have the cushion headrest that you can remove, but I just keep it on there just for that extra cushion, and I just absolutely love it. You have the cup holder. It's compact, has that seat recline, and it can sit upright near 90 degrees. It's great for curious toddlers and reclines enough for a brief nap. It is a little bit hard to kind of strap in. You do have to put some pressure to get it down. I will say that this is not for infants under 6 months, so it doesn't recline fully, but it does recline enough for a toddler to have a good sleep, and it has like a pretty good sized canopy to keep the sun away, keep them cozy, add that extra darkness, and built-in components. So I love that it's not like a flimsy plastic canopy, and it's just really durable. I have loved this stroller. We've used it for a while now, a few trips. It folds down pretty easy, and you just have to make sure that the clip there is secured, and it has a strap that you can use to throw on your shoulder, carry it with you through airports, through lines, or just transferring to the car. So absolutely love this. We have been using it for quite some time now, and it has served us very well. I can't recommend it enough.